Ain't no crazy rock song. What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. I'm gonna just do a quick opening of a pack, so you already know. Let's get into it, man. Who?
You, not you.
So they can hear some music, dude.
Here's everybody. Right.
I know I'm supposed to be saving up my money, but I'm gonna start after this. I gotta do this once.
You get to all of them? You like them? Live? You can do it live.
Whew.
How many videos you tutorial game and he only got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's go.
13 hours ago, 12 hours ago.
My bad. We got a Kendall Gill. He's a better overall. We got a Jerry Stackhouse. I don't know. Yeah. Nothing. That was the stream.
Oh, stream. Oh, yeah.
You only got 7 views on that.
To get views. It's hard to get views.
Give me that one, and that's me.
What, he just started?
All right.
Look at me, I'm popping.
Let's go. We got some good overall. Let's go.
It went back up too,
Let's go to Amante Gaming. Subscribe. Like the video. Like my video. There's going to be a giveaway at 30 subscribers. You can only make that happen.
No views, 1 view, 2 views, 12 views, 3 views, 1 view, 26 views, 81 views, 18 views, 9 views, 13 views, 12 views, 12, 7, 24,
Let's upgrade my team.
7, 6, 18. That's pretty good. Ain't
That 81?
that 81? They was going nuts on that stream. Try to break that little fake Apple Watch you
Already broke. But you the one who said it was Apple Watch.
Let's go.
I'm gonna play Madden Mobile from my stream.
We gonna make him go up.
So, you gotta
Spending bread out here for y'all.
Huh? Dude, you have a YouTube?
You don't have a phone.
It's pretty good.
Oh.
You said you got it.
Yeah, I can have it. You can have my phone.
Dude, shit. You gonna
You probably want that.
She can have a YouTube channel on it.
do what?
Yeah, my phone is away. Touch for nothing.
Let's go. Let's stop this recording. I'm posting this up on YouTube. And yeah.
I didn't even hurt you.